welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to do review about Camlin Whiteboard Marker Ink. This is 15 ml for high visibility. This is what they have mentioned it over here. So let's have a look of Camlin Whiteboard Marker Ink. They say that this is a brighter ink, easy to fill, longer cap of time, easy to wipe with dry/damp cloth, tissues or dusters, and xylene and tolerant free. And their whiteboard marker ink is available in this 4 colors that they have shown it over here. That is black, blue, orange and green. And here there is written is tested under standard laboratory condition, temperature 25 degrees C and RH 50%, tested at laboratory on glass board, ceramic glass and matte whiteboards. This is what they have mentioned it over here. Camlin Whiteboard Marker Ink. How to refill? To refill, friends, you need to open the marker first. Secondly, 450 to 60 drops of ink to refill. Post refilling, always keep the marker horizontally. So always you have to keep the marker horizontally post refilling. The net quantity of the product of Camlin Whiteboard Marker Ink is 15 ml. Product, that is marker ink. MRP inclusive of taxes, that is ₹30. USP is ₹2 per ml. This is a product of Kokuyu Camlin Limited, and they have mentioned their address, that is 48/2 Hilton House, Central Road, MIDC Andheri East, Mumbai 400093, Maharashtra, India. And they also have mentioned their website name, that is www.kokuyocamlin.com. Consumer Care Cell, the manager, address which I have just told you now, and the telephone number is 022 6655 7007. You can email them at support@kokuyocamlin.com. It is available. This colors refill is available in 100 ml and 500 ml pack. Whiteboard marker ink is certified. Conforms to EN 71-3. This is what they have shown it over here. So friends, let us open this box and I show you what is there. So we get this bottle from this box, Camlin Whiteboard Marker Ink. They have a blue cap over here, which can be opened like this, and then the ink comes out. And you need to, once you are finished with the work, you need to close this cap. For high visibility. Inside also they have mentioned that they have Camlin, they have only 4 colors, that is black, blue, red and green. So friends, I am going to tell you about the benefit of this Camlin Whiteboard Marker Ink. Camlin is a trusted brand in stationery. It offers high quality whiteboard marker ink that delivers excellent performance for classroom, offices and presentation. Here is why it stands out. It stands out due to its vibrant and bold color. The ink provides bright and bold colors, ensuring clear and visible writing that stand out on whiteboard. It's ideal for classroom, presentation and brainstorming session where visibility is the key. Second is that it is smooth and consistent flow. The ink ensures a smooth writing experience without blotches or skips. Designed for even ink distribution, making it perfect for writing or drawing diagrams. So in the whiteboard, my child, I use this Camlin whiteboard marker ink. So when my child is come from the school, she has a whiteboard. She likes to draw. She likes to write something. So she find it very nice when she use that. So whatever she comes, she just go and draw on a whiteboard, and she really likes drawing. So she comes and she first thing that she does is drawing on the whiteboard. Third is it is quick drying and smudge free. So fast drying formula prevents smudging, keeping the whiteboard neat and clean. So whenever you draw with your this whiteboard marker, it keeps your board neat and clean. Reduce the risk of accidental smears, especially in fast-paced teaching or office environment. Easy erasability. You can erase it very nicely with any duster or any cloth also. So I am basically use my DOMS magnetable duster, which I have in my whiteboard. So it gets stuck it very nicely over there, and I used to erase it with that. Even after multiple use, it makes the whiteboard stay clean with this, prolonging its life and maintaining its appearance with this Camlin whiteboard marker refill. Refillable convenience. It comes in easy use bottles, making refillables simple and hassle-free. Extend the life of the markers, reducing waste and saving cost. Long-lasting performance. Camlin ink is designed to last for longer, allowing you to write for extended period without frequent refill. Suitable for high usage environments like school, offices and conferences. Refilling with Camlin is very cost effective and economical than buying a new marker every time. So you need to refill it with Camlin whiteboard marker ink. A budget friendly option for long term use, especially in bulk applications like schools and offices. It is widely available and trusted brand. Camlin is a well-known and widely available in India, ensuring its easy access quality ink supplies. Trusted by educators, professionalism, students, and for their constant quality and performance. Thank you friends for watching my video of Camlin whiteboard marker ink. If you like my video of Camlin whiteboard marker ink, please hit a like on my YouTube channel and subscribe to my channel for more such amazing video. And if you want to buy this Camlin whiteboard marker ink, I have kept the link in the description. You too can buy it and you can refill your own marker. You no need to buy a new marker. Hope you like my video. Thank you.